Hey everybody, this is your Unit 2 Mastery assignment, and here is how you do it, okay? So the scores for this whole thing are out of 100 points, but the test is actually out of 200, so there will be a multiplier on Infinite Campus where it'll make it out of 200 for us. That way we have, two Masteries assignments worth of grades from Unit 2 and 2 from Unit 1 to kind of even things out for you all. So how you complete this, you go part by part, right? There's 5 slides, there's 6 parts. So part A, here on slide 1, you just need to identify whether these statements apply to alpha, beta, or gamma decay. And you can do that just by simply dragging the type of decay over and putting it on the line there, okay? Those will each be worth 1 point. Actually 2 points in reality, but 1 point for these purposes. So do that for all 5 of those. I gave you the symbols to drag here. That way you didn't have to type anything. That was an issue people had last year. So try to make it easier on you there. Part B, write the symbols for an alpha particle, a beta particle, and a gamma particle or gamma ray. Okay. So you have the 3 types of radiation. You'll want to double click into each box here. Okay. And what you need to do is just type in the mass number, the atomic number, and the symbol for each of these particles. And you should be able to look back through our notes if you don't remember to get that information. Here, part C, you need to complete the nuclear decay reactions, right? It should be pretty clear looking at these whether they are alpha decay or beta decay. If you were in class and you paid attention and you did your practice, you just need to finish filling out these boxes. So top number, bottom number, symbol, right? Mass number, atomic number, symbol. Here, you just need to give me the atomic number that's missing, right? And it should be, you should be familiar with how to find that number based on the information provided. And then here in part D, this is the part of the test that is just like those last questions that we had on our practice over alpha and beta decay, where I give you the isotope notation, right? Americium 241 undergoes alpha decay, or iodine 131 undergoes beta decay. So I give you the starting isotope, I give you the type of decay, and you need to fill in all the information here, okay? Then, part E, just like our practice over isotopes, you need to fill in the missing information for these isotopes, right? So you'll need to fill in the symbol, the name, or the notation here, and then the mass number, the number of protons, the number of neutrons where applicable. Each of these boxes is worth 2 points. Look back at your examples and your practice for help with those if you need to. And then finally here in part F, you're just going to be clicking and dragging these 5 statements into either nuclear fission or nuclear fusion based on which it applies to, right? So if you think this one is nuclear fission and this one is nuclear fusion, you would drag those there, okay? So pretty straightforward on that. That's how we complete this. It's due October 7th. I will be in class Friday, September 27th, during our normal time for you to ask me questions. You can always comment privately on your assignment as well if you need help. Thanks.